What is this perfect way of parenting? There is a perfect way of parenting. And perfect does not mean zero defect. The initials P-E-R-F-E-C-T stands for something. P stands for passion. Passion. If you remember, I was discussing with you, माँ बाप बनने से पहले हम कुछ वैसे माँ बाप के पास गए थे जिनके बच्चे कुछ तो जिंदगी में कमाल का कर रहे, और जब उनसे वार्तालाप हुई, जब उनसे बातचीत हुई, ये समझ में भी आया, ये देखने को भी मिला कि उनकी जिंदगी में उनके बच्चों से ज्यादा अहम कुछ भी नहीं है. Their priority in life is their children. अगर समाज में कहीं शादी है या कोई नया घर में प्रवेश कर रहा है, वो महत्वपूर्ण है, इट इज इंपॉर्टेंट. मगर अगर बच्चों को वो वक्त चाहिए तो बच्चे उनके लिए ज्यादा अहम है. लोग क्या बोलेंगे, मेरे ये दोस्त इस बीमारी से बचे हुए हैं. दे डोंट केयर अबाउट व्हाट पीपल विल से. दे आर कमिटेड टू देयर चिल्ड्रन. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ somebody comes home and it is the children's exams, they would tell that person, मैं थोड़ा बच्चे का पढ़ाई ले रही हूं या ले रहा हूं, मैं आपसे ना थोड़ी देर बाद बात करूंगा. कितना टाइम लगेगा? करीब 1.5-2 घंटे लग सकते. नहीं, वो बुरा नहीं मानेंगे. एक तरफ मेरे बच्चे का भविष्य है और दूसरा तरफ वो बुरा मानेंगे. अगर वो मुझे वास्तव में चाहते हैं तो वो समझेंगे कि बच्चे की पढ़ाई में ध्यान देना क्यों जरूरी है. अगर वो वास्तव में मुझे नहीं चाहते तो वो बुरा मान जाए, क्या फर्क पड़ता है? यू नो, सो ऑफन इट हैपेंस, वी प्रॉमिस समथिंग टू आवर चिल्ड्रन कि अपन 2 बजे पिक्चर जाएंगे एंड 1:15 बजे वन मामा जी कम्स होम. नाउ व्हाट टू डू नाउ? क्या हम मामा जी को बोलेंगे कि मामा जी 2 बजे हमारा पिक्चर का शो है, 1:30 बजे हमको निकलना है? या आप मामा जी को पूछोगे खाना खाएंगे? मामा जी बोलेंगे हाँ भूख तो लगी है, अभी गया. Now you can't leave home in 45 minutes. Passionate parents don't do this. Let Mama ji come, we'll talk to Mama ji and tell him, बच्चों को एक वादा किया था कि आज 2 बजे का पिक्चर जाएंगे, 1:30 बजे हम लोग निकलने वाले. अगर सही मामा जी है तो मामा जी बोलेंगे अरे वाह बहुत अच्छा है, चलो 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 जाओ, कोई इशू नहीं. गलत है, कंस वैरायटी, फिर वो बुरा मान जाएंगे. मान ले भले बुरा. जब मैं एक वादा निभाता हूं और उससे उनको बुरा लगता है, फिर तो ईगो इन्वॉल्व है. मोहब्बत किधर है, प्यार किधर है? सो एवरी पेरेंट हु इज पैशनेट अबाउट देयर चिल्ड्रन हैव देयर चिल्ड्रन एज प्रायोरिटी नंबर 1. They will not sacrifice their children or their parenting for anything in this planet. Passion makes them plan. अगर किसी भी चीज का आपको जोश है ना, आप उसके लिए प्लानिंग करते हो. हमारे कुछ दोस्त हैं यहां, सुशांत, अमित, पैशनेट है बाइकिंग. अभी लेह लद्दाख जा रहे हैं. अमित जा रहा है ना? भैरू भी जा रही है ना? नहीं जा रही. एकदम पैशनेट है. तो पूछो कितने दिन से प्लानिंग चल रहा है? 3 महीने से. कितने दिन के लिए? कितना दिन का ट्रिप है? 13 दिन के लिए करीब 3.5 महीने का प्लानिंग रहेगा. ये बच्चा जो है ना, वो 80 साल की जिंदगी होगी कम से कम. उसके लिए कितना प्लानिंग किया? घर में एक शादी होती है, 3 दिन का कार्यक्रम है, उसमें कितना प्लानिंग होता है? और बच्चा है, उसकी पूरी जिंदगी है, उसके लिए कितना प्लानिंग? शादी में बस एक ही तकलीफ हो गई, वो घोड़ी नहीं आई बारात वाली, चलेगा, कोई इशू नहीं है। वो सिर्फ रिसेप्शन का स्टेज नहीं बना, चलेगा, कोई इशू नहीं है। तो बच्चों के लाइफ में जो होना चाहिए उसमें कमी कैसे रह जाती है? वो क्यों चलता है? वो क्यों चलता है? Those who are passionate parents, those who see parenting as a very important part of their life, not just their identity, not their money, not the kind of office, not the kind of hospital, not the kind of structures, not the volume of work, not the bank balance. Parenting is an essential part of my life. They will always find time, they will make their children their priority. And I've seen this across time. So passion. Passion means total commitment to children. Priority number one in my life are my children. That's passion. E stands for expectations. Get the expectations very clear. What you want, what you don't want. Let there be enough space in expectations. And let the child decide what to do with the other time, with the fill in the blanks. So the children will say, Mama, दोपहर का खाना आपको जैसा बनाना बनाओ, शाम का खाना जो हम बोलेंगे वो बनाना. Deal, done. No complain about afternoon food now. Beta, you have to leave for your school on time. You cannot be late even by a second. Do you think it's possible? Done. So now I will not tell my children, you should watch TV only for half an hour. Why should I say? What I expect, I am telling them. Beta, you should be able to... What percentage will you get in your studies? Mama, I'll get 90% plus. Papa, I'll get 90% plus. Done. For 90%, how much attention do you want to give? How much beyond school time you need to study? How much besides homework you have to study? Because homework is a variable number. Besides homework, how much you need to study every day? Papa, 45 minutes is more than enough. And I tell my children, when you pay attention to teacher in the class without getting distracted, you know, sometimes current will go, all of you will look here and there. Don't take your eyes off the teacher. When somebody else comes, you look at them. Don't take your eyes off your teacher. 40 minutes, you should have a movie of your teacher inside over here. Can you listen with that focus? I'm telling you, bacha, you will not have to study for 45 minutes. 25 minutes will be more than enough. Because as you open your book, you will see, Arey, Miss had told this, I remember. Miss had told this, I remember. Miss had told this, I'll remember. You will not have to study. You will just glance through and you will know, mere ko sab aata hai. 45 minutes, so you can do twice revision. But anyway, if you want, you can plan for 45 minutes. I am showing her how it is not necessary to study for 45 minutes. So we are not parents who insist on itna to padna hi padega. We discuss mutually, okay, what do you think should be done? Expectations have to be very clear. And after that, if Meg says, I want to watch TV for 4 hours, your choice. There will be times when football matches there, 2 matches back to back, from 10:30 to 1 am, 10:30 to 12:30 I am watching one match, 1:30 to 4 o'clock I am watching one match. It excites me, so I am able to do that. If I have the freedom to do that, I am responsible enough to ensure my life is balanced. If you are responsible enough, you are free to do what you want. So I am not going to tell you, go down to play for 2 hours or half an hour. Let's discuss. But you should do something which is personal, where personal excellence is required, and you should do something where team game is required. Because life is all about team. And commitment is tested in personal. So when you're racing 100 meters dash, it's about personal. Because there you cannot disguise in a team. But if you're playing basketball, there the team might win, you might be an ordinary player, but you will be disguised in the victory team. At the same time, everybody needs to contribute. Your ego has to be to one side. People should say, I'm blessed to have Mehak in my team. So one game which should be personal, where you are tested, and one game which is a team game, where your character is tested, because you may not get personal glory. You might have put only 10 points, somebody else has put 18 points, you pass them for 10 points. But the name will be of hers that she scored 18. Your name will not be there. It's a team game. Your ego has to decide and you should continue to contribute. I think you should play in one team game and one individual game. All of you over here. See if you can expose your child to one individual competition talent. It can be music, it can be dance, it can be athletics, it can be swimming, it can be sports, and there should be something which is a team game in which they should participate. Different aspects of their personality gets developed. Now I tell, these are my expectations. Hence, let's see if we can develop ourselves on these. All of you with me? So expectations are clear with enough gaps where the child believes that they are still controlling their life. Their minute-to-minute agenda is not set. So one day if the child sits for 45 minutes, I scream. Next day if it sits for 30 minutes, I am saying, koi baat nahi. The child does not know what the parent actually wants or what will delight them. Clear-cut expectations. R is for respect. We've discussed about respect enough. Have we? Hello? Hello? Whatever happens, respect is mandatory. It's not an option. Have you heard about this guy called Spartacus? You haven't? You heard about Shah Rukh Khan? That you've heard. Spartacus you haven't. Spartacus in history is one of the greatest leaders ever born. There is a movie called Spartacus, where the role of Spartacus is played by Kirk Douglas. Watch that movie. The Roman legions are behind Spartacus, and Spartacus with 300 of his men are attempting to survive. They're attempting to outfox the Romans. They're outnumbered. Ultimately, they're caught. Now, Spartacus is their king. The Roman legionary leader does not know in these 300 who is Spartacus. So he says, either you hand over Spartacus to me who will be hanged to death or crucified to death, or I will crucify everybody. Kirk Douglas immediately gets up and says, I am Spartacus. Within 30 seconds, another person gets up saying, I am Spartacus. In less than 5 minutes, all 300 of them are standing saying, I am Spartacus. History goes in such a way, as I'm speaking to you, I have goosebumps all over my body. All 300 of them were crucified to death. That is leadership. That is respect. I won't let Spartacus die just like that. He's mine, I respect him too much. If necessary, I'll die with him. Would our children stand up for us? Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose says, give me blood and I'll give you freedom. Tum mujhe khoon do, main tumhe azadi dunga. Takes a battalion of people from the jungles of Burma. And insects are so thick over there. They know fully well that out of 10,000 people who start on the journey, even 100 will not survive when they reach the borders of India. They know more than 90% people are going to die in the jungles. But the fact which he says, we will not be able to defeat the British Empire, but we are willing to die. That is going to electrify people out there. Those who are sleeping will wake up. That's why he said, तुम मुझे खून दो, तुम्हारा जान दो, और मैं तुम्हें आजादी दूंगा. And as news came of people are traveling through Burma, through those jungles, through the diseases they are dying, because there was no medicines for so many diseases at that point of time. It electrified the whole nation and said, we must do something. I'm willing to die for my leader, for my country. Now that is respect. I'm willing to stand by that which is right. Is respect. When you look at your children, when you talk to your children, do they feel respected? Important question. F, stands for friendly. Like we discussed, can I approach my parents? I'm having that eagerness for sex. Can I talk? I don't know, should I smoke or not? Because some of my friends are smoking. They go to hookah parties, hookah cafes. Is it okay to go there? My friends have the latest phone and I have an old phone. Sometimes I feel inferior. Is it right or is it wrong? I'm in this group of these people who have a lot of masti, but they're not focused on studies. Should I leave them or should I be with them, attempt to bring them on track? Mama, what do you suggest? Can they talk to you believing you are a friend? If yes, then we have succeeded in parenting. E stands for enthusiasm. How excited we are when we are children. When you enter home, are you a picture of excitement? Do you enter with happiness? Or do you enter this way? Or do you call out to your children? How do you enter? I am home. Or is it, do you bounce on the sofa? Have you ever jumped on the sofa of your own home? You know, you can be so enthusiastic when you jump on the sofa. Do it tonight. I'm telling you, your children will start respecting you. Because it takes a happy person, an enthusiastic person. An enthusiastic person is always a happy person. Chal, let's have some fun. Do you use this language with your children? Come, let's have some fun. Hey, rains are coming, let's go and get wet. Are you enthusiastic? Or are you a picture of sadness? Tum log jao. Pareshan mat karo. They think this guy is not enthusiastic at all. How did he produce me? Because without enthusiasm, even that is not possible. Now, galti se some 2-3 minutes they became enthusiastic. We just don't be happy. We make such a big deal about being happy. Everything in life has to be right before I'm happy. When I become happy, everything becomes right. It's not the other way around. Let's be enthusiastic. Today when you go home, how will you enter home? इधर से घर जा रहा है कि ऑफिस जा रहा है? Go home as enthusiastic people. Hi, come. If the child is there, you know how the child comes? Papa! And the child wants to come running. And Papa? Arey usko sambhalna. Child is thinking, what's wrong with him? Why can't he jump? Jump with your children. When we made the sofa of the house, I told that sofa wala, it's not just my children, but I am also going to jump on that sofa. He did not come back. Then I had to find another one. Saying, make the sofa strong enough for 100 kg to bounce on it. He said, 15,000 extra lega. I told him, take 17,000. But I want to have fun. Those of you who want it, you can practice it and see. If you are ever feeling sad, just jump 3 times wherever you are. Just like this. And you will find you can't be sad anymore. Simple, open challenge. After 3 jump, let's see if you can be sad. Enthusiasm. Your children will actually believe that you have sense. Because they got magnetized to enthusiasm. Which cartoon do they watch? And why do they watch cartoon? Look at the cartoon characters. Are they sad and dull? How are the cartoon characters? How are they? Come on, give me the reply. How are they? They are alive, they are happy, they are excited, they are enthusiastic. The child has a choice between this cartoon and this cartoon. When the child says, ye theek hai, ye TV wala theek hai. This fellow at home looks like there is a word on his top. कब गिर जाएगा मालूम नहीं, इतना दुखी रहता है. When he was earning 10,000, he was sad. When he's earning 1 lakh, he's sad. When he earned 10 lakhs also, no, he'll always be sad. You have to learn to be happy. It has nothing to do with success. Hence, enthusiasm. C stands for communication. Communicate. Never withdraw communication. That's the worst thing that you can do to your children. Don't ever threaten them with silence. I will not talk to you. The worst thing that you can do to your children is emotional trauma. And that's what absence of communication does. As husband and wife, I know that's your favorite tournament. That's your favorite sport. I won't talk to you. Okay, who cares? Okay, don't talk to me. You will have to talk to me. First, they were only saying, I won't talk to you. Then you have to talk to me. Such natak goes on. The biggest of fights on this planet ultimately has to get sorted out through communication and on a table through a dialogue. So always keep that communication alive. And T in perfect stands for time. Quality time to your children. When you can live by this, you will find you will be able to parent your children brilliantly well.